The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 23, Entrustment. I have abandoned both my arms, and I shall definitely attain the golden body of the Buddha. If this is true and not false, then may both arms be restored as before. Because this bodhisattva was endowed with profound merit and wisdom, after he had made his vow, his arms recovered spontaneously. At that very time, the great manifold cosmos quaked in 6 ways. It rained jeweled flowers from the heavens, and all the devas and humans experienced an unprecedented marvel. The Buddha addressed Bodhisattva Naksatra Samku Sumita Bijna, saying, "What do you think about this? Is Bodhisattva Savarupa Samdarshana someone unknown to you? He is none other than this Bodhisattva, Vaisajaraja. He undertook the practice of giving by abandoning his body immeasurable hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of nayutas of times in this way. O Naksacharaja Samkusumita Bijna. If there is anyone who sets forth and wishes to attain highest complete enlightenment, he should pay homage to the stupas of the Buddha by burning either a finger or a toe. He is superior to those who pay homage by giving their countries and cities, their wives and children, or the mountains, forests, rivers, ponds, and many other rare treasures. If there is anyone who pays homage to all the Buddhas, great bodhisattvas, Pracheka Buddhas and Arhats by filling the great manifold cosmos with the 7 precious treasures, the merit of this person will not be equal to the surpassing merit of one who receives and holds to even a single verse consisting of 4 lines of the Lotus Sutra. O Naksaraja Samkusu Mita Bijna. Just as the ocean is the greatest of streams and rivers and of all waters, this Lotus Sutra is the most profound of the sutras taught by the Tathagatas. Just as Mount Sumeru is the greatest of mountains, greater than Earth Mountain, Black Mountain, Mount Chakravada, Mount Mahachakravada, and the 10 jeweled mountains, this Lotus Sutra is the greatest of the sutras. Just as the moon is the greatest among all the stars, this Lotus Sutra is the most illuminating of the thousands of kotis of sutras. Just as the sun destroys darkness, in the same way this sutra destroys the darkness of erring thought.